had a clock so old. Tick-tock tales it sweetly told, shiny face and golden glow, telling time both fast and slow. One fine day came Chotu the cheeky, always wild, always sneaky. Tiptoed in with eyes so wide, spotted the clock and couldn't hide. He grabbed it quick without a sound, and danced away with leaps and bounds. He swung and spun, gave it a ride, put poor clock on a slide outside. Suddenly, crash, oh what a clatter! The clock fell down and cracked with a shatter. Glass all scattered, hands went loose. Chotu now had no excuse. Nani came with a worried stare. What happened here? Who took it there? Chotu mumbled, his eyes quite low. I took your clock, I didn't know. I'm really sorry, I won't again. I'll fix it, Nani, and ease your pain. Nani smiled, pulled him near, wiped his eyes and kissed his ear. She said, mistakes can come your way, but truth and love will always stay.